What is up, guys? A common question that I get is Amazon FBA dead? Is it still able to be sold on, or is there just too much competition and is the market saturated now? And what I answer to that question is it is not dead. It is constantly growing. There's constantly new products that can be put out and that are being put out that you can sell via wholesale, arbitrage, private labeling, retail arbitrage, online arbitrage. And basically with all those business models, Amazon FBA is, I would say it's the best time to get in now. It's constantly growing. Amazon.com is getting billions of views each month on their website. Like, it is just insane how well they are doing, and this is giving you the opportunity to access all of those customers each and every day by selling your products on there. So it is not dead at all, and it's definitely a good time to get into selling on Amazon. And actually, I've just released a course that will give you everything that you need to know about selling on Amazon and help you grow your business from not even selling on Amazon to growing it to 6 or 7 figures of revenue each year. I would say within your first year, if you follow everything that I teach on the course, and if you have a little bit of money to put up front, then you can definitely succeed with Amazon, just like I have. And it's allowed me to quit my job 2 years ago now. December of 2015 was when I quit my 9-to-5 job. I had a good accounting position and it was an amazing company to work for and stuff like that. But I decided I was still running my Amazon business while I was working there, and it got to be too much. I was going to work an 8-hour shift and then coming home and putting in another 4 to 5 hours of packaging products, shipping them, having stuff sent to FBA, dealing with customer service, adding new products to my store, widening my product assortment and stuff like that. So it got to be too much, and it was difficult for me to keep up with it and still get proper sleep and still have a life outside of working and selling on Amazon. So that's why in December 15 I decided to quit my job, and now for over 2 years I've been just selling on Amazon full time. I also sell on eBay and several other platforms, but the majority of my income comes from Amazon just because it's the biggest marketplace in the world, Amazon.com, and it's definitely not dead. I mean, my sales are increasing each and every year. My product assortment is increasing also. I now have virtual assistants working for me and an assistant working for me. So it's definitely not dead, guys, and it's a great time to still get into Amazon because more and more people are getting in each day, and I think that's great. And that's why I teach how to sell on Amazon through this course. I'm not worried about people stealing my business models and stuff like that, because there's just so many customers that are on Amazon and so many different products that you're able to sell and source that they're not, the people that I teach, they're not going to become my competition, because there already are so many other sellers on there, and I'm still succeeding and growing my business every year, and I know that you guys can too. So thanks for watching this video, and just keep in mind Amazon FBA is not dead, and if you haven't started yet, make sure you guys get in to selling on Amazon. And if you have the extra money right now, my course would be a great suggestion for you guys. It's $347 right now. It's going to be going up to $497 as soon as the course actually releases. It will be released by April 30th at the absolute latest, but this is the pre-sale right now. And you can find all the details about the course in the description below. But it's going to teach you everything you guys need to know to sell on Amazon. And with that course, you can grow your business very quickly and learn all the ins and outs of selling on Amazon. And I will teach you multiple different models to sell on Amazon, because a lot of other courses that are out there, they'll only teach you how to private label a product and how to make however many dollars they say per month. But that's not realistic, because not everyone has the money to put up front, to put $10,000 up front for one private label product. Whereas I'll teach you how to sell on Amazon based on whatever upfront investment you have. If it's nothing or if it's basically unlimited, then either way you can learn through my course how to grow your business and how to build your brand on Amazon. So thanks for watching this video, and make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Talk to you guys later.